I used to go to school by bus. School used to start at 8:15 and lunch used to be at 12:20. I used to have a packed lunch. How do we use used to? Hi, I'm Luke, an ESL professional, and I'm here to help. These examples talk about a repeated time in the past. But are they true now? No, they're not. I don't go to school by bus anymore. School is in the past for me, so the start time and lunch time are not important, and I don't have a packed lunch anymore. This is the function of used to between a subject and a verb. It talks about repeated actions in the past, and we use it for things like our childhood, our teenage years, or an old job. Used to is a past tense. It has a positive and a negative form, just like the past simple. I played guitar this morning. I didn't play guitar this morning. I used to play guitar when I was a child. I didn't used to play guitar, but I do now. When there's a past auxiliary verb, used to becomes used to, just like any other verb. Did you play guitar this morning? Not did you played. Did you used to play guitar when you were a child? Not did you used to play guitar when you were a child. It's the same for questions. Let's practice. Did you used to wear a school uniform? How did you used to go to school? Did you used to do any hobbies that you don't do anymore? Answer my questions in the comments. For me, I used to wear a school uniform. I used to be head boy, so I had to be very smart. I used to go to school by bus. And I used to write songs, but I don't do that so much anymore. Maybe I should start again. And finally, 2 pieces of information about used to. Number 1, if you did something in the past and continue to do it now, make that clear. I used to play video games when I was a child, and I still do now. Second, pronunciation. In sentences, stress your main verb. I used to go. She used to do. Hope that helps.